Hello, amazing children. How are you doing today? I trust that you're doing just great. I am Mrs. Nnamani Stella, and today I'm going to be taking you on a topic in mathematics. But before going into that, I have a few questions for you. When was the last time you had a meal? Was it in the morning? Was it afternoon? Was it at night? Another question for you. When was the last time you visited your grandparents? Was it yesterday? Was it last week or last month? Was it last year? When? Today we are going to be talking about time. We're going to be talking about time. What then is time? Time is the ongoing sequence of events that occur in successions from the past through the present to the future. It is used to measure how long an activity or an event is. It is used to measure the duration it took for something to happen. How long will it take to finish that bowl of cereal? How long will it take to bath? How long will it take to brush your teeth? Now, we are talking about time. Now, for us to measure time, there are basic units for doing that. The basic unit for measuring time is seconds. The basic unit for measuring time is seconds. Can you say that? Seconds. But there are also other units for measuring time. They are minutes, hours. You don't say hours. The H is silent, okay? Hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries. And these are the units for measuring time. But remember, what is the basic one? Seconds. I'll take the units again. Minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, and centuries. Now, there's this metric unit that we usually recite. Let me do that for you. Are you ready? Okay. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 4 weeks make 1 month. 12 months make 1 year. 10 years make 1 decade. 100 years make 1 century. Interesting, right? Okay, I'll take it again. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 4 weeks make 1 month. 12 months make 1 year. 10 years make 1 decade. 100 years make 1 century. Now, if you are able to learn this, I tell you, anything about time will be so simple. Now let's continue from here. There are instruments used for measuring time. There are instruments used for measuring time. What are these instruments? Please join me to look at this video.
Hey, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have two hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See,
Okay, so let's continue from where we stopped. We have looked at the clock as one of the instruments for measuring time. Another is the wristwatch. It does the same thing as the clock. We have the calendar and we have mobile phones. Now, these are instruments used for measuring time. Remember that a day from the video we watched has 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. Now we use AM, A, capital letter A dot in between, and a capital letter M. We use AM to tell time running from midnight to noon. From midnight to noon. Anytime from that period, we call it AM. That is why in the morning we'll greet we'll say good morning, but when we want to tell the time, we'll say, oh, it's 9 a.m. Oh, it's 7 a.m. Now, we use PM, a capital letter P and M, for time running from noon to midnight. So in the evening, when you want to tell the time, you can say, oh, it's 6 p.m. It's 7 p.m. Now, these are the instruments for measuring time. I do hope that you found this lesson interesting. Exercises are here for you to do. Please ensure that you do these exercises. When you do them, you type into Microsoft Word. It should be a Word document. Send it to me so that I can grade them. To take care of yourself and stay safe.